So, welcome back. It's Friday morning and back in the workshop. 7 weeks in and shoulder's feeling fine. I haven't actually got full movement yet, still having physio on that. But today I've got my friend Dave coming in the workshop to help me. We've got to finish putting the radiator and what have you back onto this Elvis. But today's job, really what I want to try and concentrate on after we've done that, is to get the MGB gearbox fitted back on to the engine and back into the car. So here's the gearbox. I've got a friend Malcolm to rebuild it. He's done all my gearboxes before in the past, and so I apologise. I haven't got any videos of the gearbox being rebuilt, but it's got jackknife straight cut gears in it, and for whatever reason, one of the bearings inside the gear had grabbed onto the shaft and had started turning inside the gear, so that's what the squealing was. But it's all back together now, so yeah, hopefully we'll be able to get this back in the car today. Right, so basically what we're going to do is I'm going to lift it up,
yep,
and it's going to go
in that way,
but we might want to lift the car up then.
Okay.
Because you see that cross member under there?
Yeah. Oh, right back.
Right back there.
Yeah.
It's got to sit on that, it's got to go over that.
Right.
So that piece has got to go over.
Right. Yo, stop.
You can sing if you want, Dave.
No, thank you. I'm not a good singer.
But what are you going to have to do?
You can't be good at everything. You push.
Yeah, what you have to
I'll
do,
line it up.
you have to just lift the... Sit in there. What I'm going to do is try and lift the ramp up. That gives you a chance then to get underneath. If you need to.
Have you got a box I can stand on? The car's higher than my legs.
So this is a problem with working with short people.
Yeah. You good? Speak too soon. That'll be twice today. I've done this before.
So it almost looks like I know what I'm doing.
How many times you have this in and out?
Too many times. Well, you've got to be careful. Right, when it levels out. You've got to be careful when you put it in. Alright. But that doesn't go underneath the...
If I can I push it up from underneath?
Yeah, if you can.
Right, hold on, we'll. The problem is now.
Right, just hold it in. Let me see if I can
hold
manage
it. Yeah, we're going to have to go back slightly.
Yeah, let me see if I can lift it up, level it up, and then we'll. Are you pushing it up or is it leveling it up?
I'm pushing as well. Right, keep going, keep going. Whoa, hold on, let me just undo a bolt. Oh, my nuts is in the way.
Ah, yeah, take those nuts off the end.
Oh, well, I'm clear actually, nearly.
Right, so what we've got to do.
So you...
Is it going over the top?
No, I've sort of hit something.
Yeah, you will do, because it's got to come down.
Alright, okay, do it. You lower it a bit more then. Hold on. Ideally we need to go back a bit. Up and back. Come on there, I'm in. I'm above the tunnel, I'm above that bar now.
Right, that's it.
Yeah?
Yeah, that's sat in
All
there.
right.
Right, that's it sat in there.
Okay.
Oh, that was easy with someone else doing it. Well, you can come out now, Dave.
Hang on mate, I'm coming out. That's twice I've been under a car today.
Yeah, sorry about that. That's good.
Okay, my legs are shrunk.
Brilliant. So it's now Friday evening, and just before Dave went home, we thought we'd try the Alvis out. We've only just managed to get it running properly. We've been waiting for the radiator to come back, so now it's all together. We thought we'd give it a first drive for what is probably a number of years. So it's now Saturday afternoon. Yesterday we managed to get we got the engine in, we got the exhaust in, we got the gearbox mounted up underneath, while I've got Dave here to help me. It was just easier with two, and but I think this is the longest it's ever taken me to get the engine back in, because yeah, I'm a little bit disabled, shall we say. So what we're going to do now is we're just going to fit up this side of the engine. That side's basically all fitted up with the carburetor and what have you. Just got to reattach the oil pipes this side and just build up this side now. So I think that's the engine bay all connected up. So what we'll do now is put the gear lever in, etc. in. Okay, so I think that's all fitted up now, so let's get off the ramp and see if we can get it started and drive it around the yard. Right, so I'm gonna try and start it now. I think we're all there. So I'm gonna wind it over to get a bit of oil pressure up, and then see if it will start. And if it starts, I'm gonna give it a little drive. Right, got oil pressure. Nearly. So there we go. Absolutely love this car. So that's the first time I've driven that for, getting on for, well, almost be a year. So that's been far too long. So gearbox seems to work in all the gears, so that's all good. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you next time. It's been really good to be back out in the workshop. So how hard can it be?